This is Backwoods Real Hardcore Hunting that shows you what it takes to be successful in the woods.
Almost big enough for getting bigger.
Our show is dedicated to the drive and need to experience the outdoors, not once, twice, or 3 times a week, but every day of the season.
Starts now.
This is our Sweet Addiction.
Welcome back to Sweet Addiction TV, brought to you by Hunter's Health.
Now we're back on our farm in Tennessee, and it's my turn behind the gun, and I'm super excited. We are in a dried up swamp on our farm, and the deer just love to come out here. We actually call it the zoo. Well, this swamp is usually full of water, so we don't really have any good stands set up to hunt over it because we usually can't. So on this day, we were set up on the ground, sitting on some old buckets, but we were brushed in really well and we were ready.
Well, the morning was starting off great. I mean, we had does coming out right off the bat, and here comes a spike out. He's pushing them all over the field. They're acting all ruddy, and I tell you, it's getting to be that time of year, so we're really excited and we're getting ready. The rut's starting. It's starting to get right, isn't it?
Yeah, Rocky wanted to come here today, so I guess that's what we've gotten so far is a spike. Pretty typical.
Yeah, I've been picking the wrong stands all week, so.
Well, this small buck has been chasing these does around in front of us for a while, and he's finally pushing them off to the right. And we look over, and here comes a nice buck going after him.
Oh my gosh, big buck, big buck.
Well, this buck's not wasting any time. He's busting right out in the swamp. He's headed straight towards these deer, and we're all in a panic. I mean, Jamie's trying to get the gun. She's trying to pull it up real fast, and she's hung in the weeds, and I'm trying to get the camera over there. I mean, this is our first deer to get on camera. We're on freak mode, so it's fixing to happen, and it's happening fast.
Ooh, yeah. Smoky. Boo, yeah.
November 20th, I think, and we're in the swamp this morning, and first a spike came out chasing two does, and they ran off that way, and then he came out from that way coming across, and I saw him first, surprisingly, because I've been sleeping all morning. And then Rocky got the camera on him, and he stopped just right here. This is where he fell. I shot him right there, and he didn't run. He just flopped over. And so he's a good 8-point. We have pictures of him, trail camera pictures, so we knew that he was around here somewhere. And finally, we got a good deer on camera. This is the first one Rocky and I have ever gotten on camera that I've killed. So we're excited about it. It's a good deer. It's definitely the biggest one I've ever shot, so I'm happy.
Well, this was a really special hunt. To see Jamie lay the smack down on this buck right in front of us, and to have it all on camera is something I'll never forget.
It's my biggest buck to date, and I couldn't be happier. And that's what fuels our Sweet Addiction.
Sweet Addiction Television would like to thank our great hometown sponsors. Sweet Addiction Television is brought to you by these fine sponsors: Hunter's Health, nutrition for the human herd; Dead Tech, every hunt counts; Dirt Road Jeans, if you can't get in the woods, get in our jeans; Sweet Addiction Apparel, Buck Gardner Calls, Sitting Hawk, Black Fork Custom Coatings, Easton Archery, Burt Coyote Luminok Lighted Aeronox, Cloud9 Ranch Outfitters, Contractors Incorporated, and Invite Extreme Wildlife Systems. Team Sweet Addiction would like you to follow us on Facebook at Team Sweet Addiction TV.